darling. Nothing. I use some pimples for my face. Eczema. Don't be just for my pimples.
Pimples, eczema.
Making on my Moroccan share butter scrub. It's a lie. She's using Caro White. She's using Caro White. She's using other brand, and then she comes there and like.
I love you.
Hello beautiful people, hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Akimble. So today's video is exposing organic skincare brands, just basically people that sell cream online. We're about to expose them and what you should know before getting any of this product, before getting cream, what you should watch out for, what I don't tell you. We are spilling the tea. Please, you have to save your money. You can't go and be spending 25k 35k on cream and it's not working. Moroccan oil, half cast oil, and it's not working. Like better use coconut oil and shea butter than shine. I like to say I use my organic black soap and I bought cream and soap from someone online, and then it works for me for like February, March. It worked for me for 2 weeks or so, and later I started having eczema on my face, so I had to recommend someone to my sister to get cream. I couldn't recommend that person, so I had to recommend someone else. I have a very sensitive skin, and when she uses it, it was the same thing, right?
Me, I can't say I have a sensitive skin. I have a very strong skin. And when she recommended the lady, I was like, I have a very use this filter. I bought it like 15,000 naira. Not a word. I was like, okay, let me give up. I buy another set again. The consistency stuff. I bought another set again, 25,000. It's nothing to talk about. So a friend of mine again, to see how stupid I am, a friend of mine had pimples all over her face, so she was like, hey Miriam, can you recommend where you get cream? I said okay. Then she gave me money to get her set of pimple kits. You can really imagine this girl, an organic seller. She blend Okin soap.
Okin soap.
This is
15 naira, you guys.
See,
this
Okin
smells
soap.
like Okin
Okin
soap.
soap. I know what Okin soap looks like. I'm a Nigerian girl. We've used Okin soap well. When I mean well,
Okin soap for
this
5k.
Now 7,000.
So,
Promo price.
7,000.
Imagine.
And Okin soap be 15 naira. So how many did she blend inside it?
This is
But
not
about
popular.
200 naira.
Stop that. You know, finish to where she blend for you. And she
100
missed
naira.
out with Ororo like she missed out with. Serious, what's that? It does not make sense.
Ayele, inside line. You guys should please calm down. No go put all your problem for top
And they
your
will get my
business.
skin. They want nice,
I don't
lovely
understand.
soft skin.
You see their skin online glowing.
But when you want to get your own like this, now
Your camera, please. Hello guys, good morning. I am the CEO of Moroccan Skincare.
I will simply fall for their
I'm not
trap.
trying to make jest of anybody, but please, you guys should take it easy and be real. Be real with your brand and build your brand. Some of them will even give all this Instagram girl with 50k followers. I will give you my contact. Please save your name as Becky. I will save your name as Becky. You will not send me voice notes. Oh my, I love your skin. My checklist. Are you serious?
Fake reviews.
Fake reviews, and then you will post it. They will post it and we will fall for it. Not anymore. So please, if you are using Fair and White, stick to your Fair and White. Use
If you are
what
using
works for
shea
you.
butter,
You can use your
use the
vitamin
shea
E with
butter.
your Fair and White. You can use your vitamin C or your carrot oil. Just DIY. Do whatever you want to do on your own. You can check out YouTube for more video. You can make research on Google. You can make research online instead of you to waste your money. And I'm not saying all organic skincare brands are fake. There are good ones there. It's a concept. There's so many nice ones. Jenny's Glow. There's so many nice ones. I don't even patronize these people, but this is just according to what I have seen. I've known Easy Comset for a very long time. Her skin right from
Even
the
Jenny's
zero.
Glow.
Even the other one. So, but this one, they will just ask me, I don't understand. Because your friends, they sell cream. You said you go, they sell cream.
And you are not a skin therapy. You are a skin guru. You don't know anything about skin. And your skin is shiny. Within 2 months, I waste 50,000.
I just have to go back to my organic black soap because I started having pimple on my face, you guys. Look at my face. I can't even create makeup tutorial or content on YouTube. I just went MIA for some time. I'm back.
If I want this foundation on my face, you see my face is going go. Seriously, I have to use that foundation because my face is way brighter than my skin.
Organic black soap, but it's just bleaching cream.
Yeah.
These people, they'll be like, look at my skin. I just want to introduce you guys to our Moroccan facial scrub. If you have any pimples or eczema, this is what you are going to use. And it's a lie. She's using Caro White. She's using Caro White. She's using other brand, and then she comes here and like, what's a man share with that?
So that
exchange.
Within 2 months, because I've spent 50,000 naira on
As
cream.
in, it's so frustrating. It's so frustrating, and you don't even know who is real again, because real is rare.
But
You will buy cream from Easy Concept or somebody on Instagram. I'm not mentioning him. You buy cream from a celebrity, and then you remove the plaster, you put your own belly in there, and then you mix something else to eat. Or you.
There's even one popular one that said cream. Then I don't want to mention it. She practically mixed hypo with her cream, and she doesn't even use that product.
It's crazy. I know the person.
Okay, you know.
I guess I know the person. Doesn't make sense. Like
She
has told me. And there's this soap that is very popular. The soap, we know the soap. You know papaya extract soap, right? And there's also K Brother soap. These people who buy papaya extract soap and then K Brother soap, remove everything from the pack and then blend it again, or remove everything from the pack and then put their own plaster there. How much did they sell that soap?
500.
500, and they will sell it for 5K. Promo price.
Promo price 4,000.
Don't be alone. I won't make up for this life.
Everyone won't make up. If not, so I won't do my own skincare.
Means I'll start selling. I was
sell. Seriously.
I don't know. Like, how do you sleep at night? How do you sleep at
You
night?
don't care about the skin.
You will buy PS, you will pour it inside one big rubber, you add Carol White, mix everything together. You just
making of my
making of my Moroccan share butter scrub. I'm tired. Like, if you are using black soap, I have a video on black soap. I'll link it in the description box below, please. So if you are using black soap consistently, morning and night, you are going to have a very dry skin. So I need a oil, I need body cream, I need something to use if I'm not using it in the morning. So I basically use my black soap now only at night. So I asked this girl, like, Ricky, please recommend a brand for me. I saw you using someone cream online the other day. She said, no, she no longer is organic black soap. She doesn't want to spill the tea. No. She's not buying cream from a direct store. She has stopped it. She stopped this last year. She doesn't want to, and it's her friend's brand. So she was like, she doesn't use it anymore. She doesn't want to recommend that brand for me. But I don't understand, like, if people should work on your brand, don't do it because your friend is doing it. Your friend is selling cream, you too, you want to sell cream. So you say if you go buy woman hair, you go buy iPhone. It makes sense. No, they scam us. No, they scam us. It's getting too much. You know, girls want to look beautiful. You are posting your Moroccan oil online, but that's not what you are using. You are drinking a lightening skin drink. You are injecting yourself.
She doesn't sell everything. She's selling flat tummy tea. She's selling hips. She's selling kayamata.
They just want to make this money. They don't mind hurting other people, like gaining from someone's struggle. Like, I know how I struggle to make my money, so you don't just come from anywhere and tell me to patronize. I'm just coming to let you guys know about this. You should be careful out there before getting product online. Just go and meet a skin therapy. Talk to someone before getting it. Make research online. Search on YouTube what you should avoid, chemicals you should avoid in creams, and you get anyone that works for your skin.
Organic.
It's 100% organic. Nothing. I use pimples for my face, eczema. I don't feel just remove my pimples. I just have to stop last week, and then I have something I'm using now. I don't want to come here and start showing you guys this is it. I bought this cream. It was like a yellowish cream color, but now
It's black.
it is black. How come? The other one is brown. The face cream is brown. I bought the stretch mark kit. I bought the dark knuckle cookies. It did not work, you guys. It did not work. Just like promo price 7K. You just have to keep using it. Ma, they give me my 10K. Ma, they give me my 20K. They go, I'm not in the shade. But your own, they glow. Everything shine.
Sexy.
Pink lip balm. I don't understand. Give it the right one first, so you come back for more. When you come back for more, they will just give you nonsense. So that is my opinion on this. I know I've been all over the place.
Girls are really desperate. Once you get to their page, you must patronize them. This particular one I'm talking about, she said, there's no how you get to my page and you not patronize me. You get addicted. She sells a lot of things. So why you get to your
basically, be careful. She says Kayamanta. You will be obsessed with their product, even if you don't want to buy, even if you know it is fake. You just want to patronize. You just want to support them because
I'm
like
living testimony. Even when I know it's fake, I still patronize.
See guys, let's be careful out there. Like, these girls are so desperate. They can buy anything, business booming kits, blah blah blah, for their stupid brand that they are not working on. Yes, all because they want to be like any collection. They want to be like Simply Tasha selling pink lip balm. Why they will go and do their toothpaste and all of that, or they will buy from someone, then rebrand it, and they'll start selling fake. That is double. I asked someone, how much are you selling your bag? 12,000, and that bag is sold for 4,500. How much you want gain? I'm not buying 4. I'm just buying 1. This video is not getting so pissed, like I'm really angry right now. So I'll just stop this video here. If you find this video helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, turn on your notification for more video, and check out my sister's video. She does hair reviews, you know, basically hair. And I'll be posting another video on, you know, online vendors, hair brand, your popular hair brand. We are going to be spilling the tea on that as well. Leave a comment below, let me know your opinion on this. This is just my opinion. This is how I feel about people selling organic products online. I am not coming here to shade anybody or cause any trouble. I'm just saying it as it is. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye bye. Ciao ciao.